Hello guys, today I will show you a new video for an old site that it explained in other video. The link will be in the description of the other video explaining how to earn from this site. This is the home page of the site. You create an account, you connect with your TikTok account. You click here in add account and you put your account here without alt, your username without alt, and you will find your account and be linked to the to this site. You create a task to get followers. Like you see, I have two accounts connected. I already connect my site, my TikTok to new TikTok. I already claiming. I already claim some subscribers. I have total coins, 7 coins. We click in start. I need the coins. How to earn coins? It's simple. We click here in earn. I already add 2 accounts. I choose one of them. I will use this one. Always translate the page. It's in Russian. There is all tasks. You can use these tasks to connect to your TikTok like that and put like in videos. And after that you click in check to get paid your coins here. Coins here are coins of my balance, not to advertise. This is how to earn. Also there is subscribers and likes. How to get these coins here? It's simple. We go to our profile setting. I already explained how to earn from the site. There is a link of video in the description. Now explain how to get followers. You create a task and choose followers or likes or views. There is profile setting. We translate. Here is your personal information. Like you see, it's turned off all option. If we change this one to free promotion, I reload. The coins here will change to 5. I will change here and click in save. Like you see, coins change. Now we have coins for advertising in site. Now we can earn coins. Every coin is earned. Every coin earned will be shown here. This is for advertising. We'll use this coin earned from site to create tasks and put it here. It's simple. If we want to withdraw our earning, we go to profile setting. We change first option to withdrawals, like that. When you change for withdrawals and click save changes, now like you see the balance, it's shown the balance that can withdraw. When you go to withdrawals, like you see, I have already make web money or perfect money or Kiwi. There is many way to payment. Like you see, For payment, I need 200 coins, like you see. 100 coins means 25 rubles. Withdrawal request will be in 72 hours. 4 days to be confirmed. It's work like that. 4 days to be confirmed. You need 500 coins here. That's how you can earn followers or likes. It's simple. You just change this option in profile setting. Always translate this page. When you translate and changes, all coin earned will be to advertising system of the site. You create a task, you choose your account, and you choose to get followers or likers or boost views from your coin. Here you can work in earn and collect coins. It will be in advertising. Here you will get real followers and real likes and real views, no fake. If you want to withdraw, you just go here and choose this option 1 and change to withdrawals like that and save the changes. Then you work in the site and you will get coins here. Every 500 coins will be withdrawable to your chosen method. I already make a task. There is my tasks. Like you see in progress, I have 38 completed the follower from 120 followers. I already make this task. From balance of advertising, you change in the profile setting. The video explaining how to earn from the site will be in the description. All link will be in description. This is how to earn followers and like for real, no fake. 100% working method. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.